butthole lasts for a moment. Bad eyebrows last for an eternity, okay? Hi, welcome back to the channel. What's up? How you doing? I'm good. Okay. If you're new around here, welcome. You should have subscribed by now. Yes? Okay. And if you're not new around here, what's up, home skillet biscuit? It's time for another gross, weird, and important questions Q&A. I had a lot of fun doing this last time. Y'all seem to really enjoy it as well. It was quite the whirlwind. If Namjoon had a secret kink and asked you to spit butter into his ass, I don't know. I kind of want to do these, like, I want a time to do these. Like a time when everybody knows that a weird, gross Q&A is going to happen. Let's say every 25,000 subscribers. So I can guilt trip you into subscribing. Incentivizing you into subscribing. So this time I asked you guys to ask me some would you rather scenario questions. And this, I was noticing a pattern. Everything had to do with Dean, Ratmon, and somehow random orifices of the body. Would you rather let Namjoon fart in your mouth, booty hole, and everything visible, or have Dean... Wow, we just start off great. Warning, by the way, I don't understand what about this question people thought was so exceedingly sexual, because it wasn't. But thank you for everyone that asked me something like grossly explicit. You make these videos, you make them great. I would say Dean in the feet thing. I would not let anyone put their booty anywhere near my mouth. Would you rather live in the coldest place on earth or the hottest? Hottest. But it has to be a place where I'm allowed to be naked. Like publicly. Would you rather give up K-Beauty for a week or your wig collection for a week? I'd rather give up K-Beauty because I have other products. Would you... Oh wow, this one's great. Would you rather have RM spit on your food whenever y'all eat together or have Dean dig a boogie out right before y'all hold hands every time? See, the hand thing is gross, but like someone doing that and I have to eat the food afterwards, so no. So Dean. Wow, I'm picking Dean twice now. Okay, that was unexpected. All right. If you were wrongfully put into an insane asylum, how would you convince them that you're actually sane and not just pretending to be sane? I would paint something. Because they would still think I'm insane because all artists are kind of like not all there. And I say that as an artist. As long as someone sees like a practical usage for the strange ways that you think, they're a lot less likely to think you're actually insane. So in theory, I would make something of artistic value related. Because for whatever reason, people don't think that people with mental illnesses cannot function long enough to actually create something. Would you rather have curly fries for fingers or hot dog-esque fingers that smell like cherry? Curly fries. That sounds delicious. Would you rather never get to wear makeup again or never get to wear wigs again? To be honest, I wouldn't feel that bad about not wearing either of them. I like the wigs because I don't have to do my hair. Actually, no, I could give up makeup, but I like makeup as far as like an artistic thing to do. I could give up the wigs. That was a long answer to that. Would you rather drink your enemy's pee? Wow. Okay, would you rather drink your enemy's pee while you look at them in the eye? Or eat your poop in front? No, I'm not eating poo. At least urine has a relatively high water content. Why does it have to be my enemy's pee? But you know what? That would be my way to get back at an enemy, right? That would really mess him up. Like, oh, you think you got me? Bet. I don't have anything in here. I can't do the joke. Would you rather be able to learn any language in 5 minutes but speak it with a terrible accent, or take over 9 years to learn another language but speak it like a native? The 9 years one. Because what's the point if nobody can understand you, if you have such a thick accent that no one can comprehend what you're saying? Would you rather have nasty eyebrows for the rest of your life or lick someone else's butthole? I would lick the butthole because the butthole lasts for a moment. Bad eyebrows last for an eternity, okay? Just gotta suck it up sometimes. What? Would you rather swim in your period blood or your boyfriend's? Chocolate flavored poop or poop flavored chocolate? Chocolate flavored poop. Tastes like chocolate. Would you rather be really short or have a really long neck? What a fascinating question, because I've always wondered what it'd be like to fight like a giraffe. Have y'all ever seen giraffe like brawl, like Fight Club? They be getting it. Oh. Okay. Let me stop playing because Lord knows I didn't gel this bad boy down today. Oh. Yes. Huh. Would you rather know when you're going to die or know how you're going to die? I'd rather like to know when. Dead is dead, you know? Like, so I'd like to know how much time I have so I can do the things that I want to do before I die. Because whether you get hit by a train, get your head cut off, or die in your sleep, you're dead. I would like to enjoy the time that I'm here, as opposed to like trying to spend all my time trying to avoid the things that might lead to my death. Would you rather smell like durian fruit and not know it, or only smell durian fruit but no one else can smell it? The second one. Thinking and everybody else smells you. Like, you can't have no relationship. And then there's no way to fix it because you can't tell you stink. And realistically, most people ain't gonna say to you, yo, you smell like socks and ass. You know, you just gonna walk around and wonder why people are avoiding you. That sounds like a mental trip. Would you rather walk around all day in 5-inch heels or walk for only 10 feet on a trail of burning coals? The second one. I hate heels. I've complained about this before. My feet and my ankles are too small for my height. So what happens is when I wear heels, I might as well just snap my entire ankle like a newborn deer. Would you rather work in the US government or the South Korean government if they are willing to hire you? US government. You get paid more. Like, if you haven't seen my entire video about suicide in Korea, there's a big part about that. That has a lot to do with the work environment in Korea. So no is the answer to that. At least not in your standard work environment. Maybe in some of those like weird like international trade things that for some reason have a lot of foreigners in it, but it does a lot. I don't know. It's hard to explain. It's a very niche market. This? Oh no. Or this. Y'all messed me up. Oh, they both look so bad. And I love them both dearly. Oh, baby. Oh, no. He has a texturalizer. What are you doing? Baby, no. You look so stupid. I can't believe I'm saying this, but Namjoon. Yeah, he looks horrible. But still better than you. And I feel like he thinks this is good, like this is a look. Would you rather embarrass yourself in front of Namjoon or meet Jay Park and it be hella awkward? Honestly, aren't both of those situations hella awkward, embarrassing myself or meeting Jay Park? So I'd rather meet Namjoon. Well, it depends. How am I embarrassing myself? Because as long as it's something that we can like move past, like if I trip, I can get past that. But if I like shat my pants, that's harder to like recover from. I still say embarrassing them. Oh god. Would you rather have RM or Dean's fashion style for the rest of your life? RM, Dean, I don't know what you're doing, baby. You're very like stylized in here, like in the mind. You're very like, you're visionary. But baby, what are you doing on the body? And also he has real little legs and he just be drowning in fabric. I'm like, you look like you are sinking into the concrete. So yeah, Ratman is a lot more, or whatever he calls himself. Would you rather let another Dean and Ratman fan? Would you rather let Dean or RM help you with your future mixtape? Dean. He's a technical genius. He's a production genius. Would you rather have to always do your eyebrows bad or always have your makeup look orange? Y'all hitting me with the hard ones. Well, y'all know how I feel about eyebrows. For the most part, I will always choose to keep my eyebrows intact, okay? Because I would just rather not wear makeup then. But if my eyebrows look fine, the rest of your life is peachy. Would you rather Dean just stop making music and disappear, or he continues but always dressed like this? Listen, if I get an album this year, he can dress however he wants. If he comes out in a diaper and a binky on his nose, as long as I'm getting an album, I could not care less. Would you rather have a nip slip for the first time you meet Ratman or fart the first time you meet Dean? I'd rather have the nip slip. We got communication going already. I told you I don't know how to flirt, but if it's just out there, it's a nice titty. Like, what? Would you rather get Korea Boo or Dickum Enthusiast tattooed on your hand? I think Dickum Enthusiast is funnier though. So yeah, Dickum Enthusiast. Because then that's more of a story. Like, what is a Dickum Enthusiast? Like, well. Would you rather fix all evil people's bad, blocky AF, wrong colored, messy eyebrows, or just let them be? I don't mind them keeping their eyebrows. Because again, that helps me differentiate who I do and do not want in my life. Thank you. I'm gonna tell you something. The scariest people are the bad people that seem like good people. And as long as we know, would you rather be a chicken or would you rather be a duck? A duck. Because they have cute little duck butts. Would you rather smash a pineapple with your face or walk on hot coals? What is with people in hot coals today? Hot coals, because not the face. Girl, would you rather have lipstick on your teeth all day or have wonky lashes all day? Lipstick. There's nothing more off-putting than like a rogue eyelash. That bad boy just flying away. It doesn't want to be a part of this narrative. That bad boy is distracting because you're talking to people all day and all they can see is that one eyelash. Whereas the lipstick might come off when you eat, when you lick your teeth. Would you rather put up with Dean's eccentric fashion sense or have Namjoon read the fanfiction? ¿Por qué no los dos? But if I had to pick one, fanfiction, hands down. Would you rather have a dog with a cat's personality or a cat with a dog's personality? Cats suck inside, okay? So if I had a cat that acts like a dog, that's cool. But like, cats are just horrible people. Would you rather eat Namjoon's toenail or booger? Can I mix it in something? Because if I can, I'll just put a booger in some yogurt and call it a day. Would you rather swim in sperm or get slapped multiple times? What? What is multiple? This is okay, we're slowly getting more disgusting as we get. Would you rather have Namjoon eat your booty or eat Namjoon? I'm not eating no booty, so bon appetit. Would you rather have your nipples 4 inches above/below where they're supposed to be or your eyes? Nipples. I mean, y'all don't see my nipples on a regular basis. Doesn't matter. Oh my god, it's getting progressively gross. I'm gonna get so demonetized. Would you rather have Dean finger your butthole with his toe or suck Dean's toes in front of your whole family? The thing is, I've never looked at Namjoon's toes. Or Dean's toes for that matter. I feel like Namjoon would be forced to have his toes more taken care of though. You know, the whole idol thing. I just don't want him scratching. Namjoon? Question mark? I don't know. Would you rather have taste buds on your butthole or poop through your mouth? Definitely taste buds on the butthole. Like, that just sounds like a date trick. It's like, oh, we're going out to dinner. Oh, excuse me, I gotta go shove a banana up my ass. Rather punch J Park in the nose or fart in Samdi's face? I would deck J Park. Again, I've said this a million times. I don't know why. I have the weirdest like love-hate relationship for J Park. I just think he's the worst and I love him. Would you rather suck a hobo's toe or tongue kiss a crackhead? I'm just gonna say hobo toe because it's fun to say that. Hobo toe. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this mess that is my channel. Subscribe so that we can have more of these useless Q&As that help nobody do anything positive or productive in life. Follow me on all my social media. I still have Snapchat, but I'm probably not going to use it. So follow me on Instagram and Twitter, all of which are KennieJD. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.